Hey everybody, today on Henry's Tattoos, I'm going to show you how to make Persian Khagineh. Basically, these are sweet crepes. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl. To our eggs, we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of milk. And we'll add about a tablespoon of sugar. And all we're going to do is just whisk this. And to our mixture, we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of plain flour. And just mix that through also. Make sure you're scraping the sides too. Alright, and that's the result you want. So guys, you want it to be a little bit thin. It shouldn't be thick like a pancake batter. And make sure you've got no clumps in there. You want it to be nice and smooth. Alright guys, so next, just into a non-stick pan on a medium to high heat, we'll add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Alright, now once your oil's hot, we're going to go ahead and pour in our batter. And get that all out. So all we're going to do at this stage is cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. So we want to cook it until the top isn't runny anymore. So feel free to just spread it out gently, just along the sides. Alright, so as you can see, the top isn't runny anymore. So what we're going to do is, just using a spatula, we just want to cut this up into triangles. And at this point, we're going to turn our heat down to low. And what we're going to do at this point, guys, is spread about a 1/4 cup of molasses right on, like that. But make sure you pour it evenly. Okay, so that's about a 1/4 cup there. We'll keep some to the side as well to drizzle on when we actually serve it. So all we're going to do now is cook this for another 4, maybe 3 or 4 minutes. And then we're ready to serve. So all we're doing is letting that molasses just absorb up. So guys, you can spread it around as well, just to make sure the molasses is covering it all up. So that's where most of the flavour is with this. Alright, so that's looking really good now, so let's turn the heat off. And we'll go ahead and serve. Now you can plate it up any way you like, but what I want to try and do is just stack it up in the center. And what I'm going to do is drizzle some extra molasses on top. Next we'll add some crushed pistachios, or you can add slivered pistachios if you prefer. And we'll finish it off with some edible rose petals. And I mean, just look at that. So guys, with the crepe itself, obviously it's meant to be thin, it's not meant to be like a pancake. But if you did want to make it more like a pancake, just double the flour quantity, and then they'll come out thicker. But that's just up to you, it's meant to be light, not heavy. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, so just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.